testimony on Carlise is that he's a great trainer. I highly recommend him to anybody that asks about personal trainers. I use myself as an example of how I started off like weighing like a buck 45 and couldn't bench press 135 at all. I told him how I went signed Carlise up as my personal trainer, and right from the rip, like I've been dedicated consistently, working out with him. He showed me how to properly do techniques on different workouts, proper diet, what to take, what the supplements do to you, and how it's supposed to work for you. He's very teachable. He can teach you, like, very teachable. Like, it's understandable. His work is understandable. He won't have you puking or anything, have you second guessing yourself why you sign up for him. He definitely have yourself asking, like, when the next time you're working out so I can get this in. Like, he'll show you like everything you need to know. I really recommend him to anybody. Like I said, I use myself as an example. Like, I came a long way with him, like, and I'm still going. But yeah.